Hey, health enthusiasts! I'm here today to talk about something that's not only delicious, but also packs a powerful punch for your health. Yes, we're diving into the world of honeydew melon. It's your ultimate summer health hack. And here's why. First off, did you know that honeydew melon is brimming with vitamin C? This isn't just good for warding off colds, it also works wonders for your skin. Vitamin C is a powerhouse in enhancing skin health, making your skin look vibrant and youthful. And who doesn't want that glowing summer skin? But that's not all. Honeydew is loaded with water content. I mean, staying hydrated during those hot summer days can be a challenge, right? Well, snacking on some chilled honeydew not only refreshes you, but also helps meet your daily water intake. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Now, let's talk about chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Studies have shown that the nutrients in honeydew melon can help in protecting against these conditions. It's a sweet treat, but unlike processed snacks, it's one that feeds your body with good stuff without spiking your blood sugar. And if you're looking to maintain or lose weight, honeydew melon should be on your radar. It's low in calories but high in fiber, which means it keeps you full longer. Imagine enjoying a sweet, fulfilling snack that actually aligns with your health goals. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the honeydew. Pick it up, take it home, and let it work its magic on your health. Your body will thank you, trust me. And hey, if you loved learning about why honeydew melon is a fantastic choice for your health this summer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've got loads more health tips and tricks just waiting for you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.